Welcome the ruling of the High Court in Johannesburg against the African Content Movement or ACM's urgent application. Well, the court has dismissed with costs the ACM's application in which the party, which is led by former SABC COO Hlaudi Motsoeneng, sought to compel the public broadcaster to carry live the launch of the party's 2019 election manifesto in Durban today.
I now have to revert to client to get instructions as to what is the way forward. We take note of the judgment and we need to study the judgment before we can further make any other assumptions. Safe to say that, like I said, there are issues of constitutional issues which are of paramount importance, which have been brought to bear in the handling of this matter, which I believe are still alive, despite notwithstanding the fact that the application has been dismissed.
We had been served with this urgent application in the early hours of this morning. We took issue with that. However, the court, in the interest or in the public interest, ruled that the matter was important enough for it to consider, which it did. The second issue related to, as you point out, to the issue of non-joinder of ICASA, which is an issue that we had raised. And the court ruled that ICASA had a direct and a substantial interest in the matter and ought to have been joined.